Hi, I'm Mitch, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam. So tonight on the menu, we're cooking cast iron skillet chicken. So first up, we're gonna make up some stuff. So we have some paprika, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and salt and pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and mix up some rub to put on this chicken. So we are starting with 3 tablespoons, and the way we measure, it's approximate. So we 3 of paprika. Then we're gonna go ahead and get some garlic powder. And there's 1, 2, so we're putting in equal parts here, guys. So 3 of those. This is gonna go on this chicken. And then we're gonna put some lemon pepper in here. This is one of Taryn's favorites. We've never done this recipe, so we're gonna see how this goes, guys. It looks super easy, super cool. Got a little bit of seasoning. All right. Gonna add in some fresh cracked pepper. And then we're gonna add in some fresh salt, so nothing like that to add flavor to your chicken. And while we're doing this, guys, oh, and I just realized I didn't take the cap off. So there's all that salt we were just mixing up to add in. While we're doing this, we have the oven heating to 400 degrees. And I got some cast iron skillets warming up over on the stove top as well. All right, so this looks pretty good. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna coat these chicken breasts. So these are some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We're just gonna coat them in this seasoning. So I'll roll them over here in a second and get them all nice and rubbed in. You know what? I think I'm gonna grab a plate. Go ahead and now it just says season them, so I'm gonna season them pretty liberally. We did pat them down with a paper towel to dry them off to help that seasoning stick a little more. So we get seasoning all over this chicken breast. This thing's gonna be nice and ready to go. So there's 1 done. And if we need to make some more seasoning, we'll mix up some more as we go. All right, so there's another one ready to go, guys. And when you see how easy this is to cook, I'm gonna hope the end results are as good as it says. But I got plenty of taste testers here, so they're gonna tell you the truth, if it's good or not. All right, so there's another one. Go ahead and drop this one on. Or the lemon pepper a pass for you. And this might not be for you. I'm not a huge lemon pepper fan, but Taryn enjoys a good lemon pepper, so we're gonna try this. All right, it looks like I may have made the seasoning just about right because we are almost done. All right, so that chicken is all seasoned, and we're not gonna let any spices go to waste. All right, so we're gonna take some avocado oil and we're gonna add just enough to coat the bottom. And we're gonna let that avocado oil heat up a little bit. And then guys, we are going to put these chicken breasts on these cast iron skillets. So these cast iron, they are heating up. Tip this one a little bit so we can get all that oil all over the place. So we got it nice and good. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna cook these for 5 minutes, untouched. That's what the directions say. So we're gonna see how this goes. And I'm gonna put them in here. So let's go ahead and get some chicken breasts in. These are some big chicken breasts. So we went with 2 different pans. So there is 1, 2, and we're gonna hope I can fit all of them on this side. We have this heat set to a medium. We might have to go 3 and 3. We're gonna see. All right, guys. So we're gonna start the timer. We'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, guys. We've hit the 5-minute mark. So we're gonna flip the chicken over. And we're gonna add some lemon right on top of it. Okay, so let's get the other one so I can put these in the oven. So again, this is 5 minutes. I'm going to set those on, and now we're going to go ahead and carefully put this into our preheated 400-degree oven. Alright guys, so we're going to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to check back and we'll let you know what the final results is shortly. Alright guys, that is 10 minutes. We're going to take a peek and see how these are looking. Looks like good, but I think I'm going to let this thing go just a little bit longer. So I'm going to give it 3 more minutes and we're going to see what happens. Alright guys, so that took a little bit longer than what they said. But we're going to set these out. That was a flop. So we got a lemon go flying. So these are gonna sit for 5 minutes to let the juices come back in. So one pan is completely done. The other pan is still cooking because it was not quite done. And I'm gonna clean up the lemon mess. And then we're gonna head to the table and let you know how this is. See y'all in a bit. All right guys, so we are gonna slice this chicken. It's been sitting for 5 minutes.
Yummy.
And this is supposed to be, Kevlin, please don't stand right there with a knife.
Kevlin, back up, please.
Kevlin,
It smells like bug spray right here.
You smell the lemon?
I smell some kind of like bug
take a look at this chicken.
It looks yummy.
If I can get that.
It's got bacon from the side. It's got ear.
Now, do you slice chicken long way or short way? Does it matter?
I don't think I've ever sliced it like this.
Okay, we're gonna
It's
slice.
like turkey.
We're gonna slice
No,
it.
either way is fine. Smells delicious, dear.
You should love it, dear.
All right, dinner. We have some what looks like broccoli cheese pasta. Some mystery chicken. What's it called?
It's some in a bag broccoli, or not broccoli, asparagus and potatoes.
The chicken?
No, sorry, what's the chicken called?
Yes.
The chicken is called lemon pepper skillet chicken. I don't know.
And some in a bag steamable vegetables. Let's take a look.
All right, dear, do you want to tell us what you think of the chicken?
Yes, I used my chicken to cut Kevlin's chicken. So it smells lemony. I think it's very moist.
Well,
It has good flavor. I think it's good.
okay. Kevlin, what do you think of the chicken?
I think it's so good.
Awesome. And have you tried any chicken or no?
Yeah, I think it's good. You can taste the lemon, but it's a little dry.
You got a dry piece and mine was not dry.
Right.
I like it. I think you can taste the lemon and the spices a lot, and I eat it with ketchup, so I can taste it.
All right, guys. So we got a good amount of chicken. That means leftovers as well. So I'm gonna try a bite and let you know what I think.
I think you could do more lemon to give it more. I think it could use more flavor. Like it's good,
Nice.
but it's not as
Okay.
potent because they were so thick. Like that's tasty.
All right. So I'm gonna take a bite of this. It is. So I think it looks juicy. Smells good. So I do think you're right. The lemon pepper would probably be even more. But I went with the directions. And I equaled it out. Now, I will say this. The sauce that's left on the pan, I bet. That'll give you your lemon. Overall, would you have this again?
Yep.
Maybe we should make some lemon sauce.
Yeah, but not the lemon.
So yes, fairly quick, fairly easy. Start to finish was an hour maybe, 45 minutes. And that was with dealing with multiple kids. So, could be even faster. These were thick chicken breasts, so they did have to cook longer than it said. Had they been normal ones, it said about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. We went closer to 20 to 25. So,
Sounds like a wonderful weeknight meal. Y'all enjoy. Bye.